Alright, now that I have the clock in front of me, let me describe some of the features of this clock. Starting from the top, you find the face of the clock. And you can open this up, just like that. And right over here you have your minute hand and hour hand. Then you got some holes at the bottom that are used to wind the clock and the strike mechanism. I'm going to close this. Now let me move this towards the back.
Let me lift it up a little bit. There we go.
Okay, if you could open that up. Thank you. And in the back, you find the escapement, which you're hearing ticking away. And you also find the chime rods. Why they call these chiming clocks is because instead of just striking the hours and half hours, this chimes every 15 minutes, starting at the hour, going to quarter of the next hour over that period. And each rod has a different note to it. We'll discuss the chimes later in this video. And let me see if you can get a feel for what the escapement sounds like. If not, that's fine. Okay, you've got that. So I'm going to turn it back towards me.
Let me lift it.
And now we're going to demonstrate winding the clock. This comes with a winding key. It's provided to you the first time you get the clock. Okay, so how we do this is using the winding key that is provided, we will wind the clock movement and strike mechanisms through access holes on the front of the dial.
I'm going to wind the movement first.
And both of these are designed to operate for an 8-day period. It is important that both be wound completely once a week. Wound.
Yep. The chimes as well as the strike and the movement. That's it.
Alright, I will be right back to discuss the chimes in part 3 in 1 minute.